Once upon a time, in a place covered with glistening snow, lived two enchanting sisters, Suman and Aimen, with their parents. Their village nestled between towering mountains, turning silver under the sun's shimmering light when winter arrived. Suman, who was 13 years old, was wise and kind, while her 8-year-old sister, Aimen, spread joy with her innocent laughter and sweet words. Every morning, the sisters bundled up in their warmest clothes and set off for school. Though the path was long, their laughter and playful chatter made the journey delightful. They never hesitated to stop and help anyone in need, whether it was an elderly person carrying wood or a young child who had fallen in the snow. Suman, being the elder, always cared for others, while Aimen charmed everyone with her cheerful demeanor. At school, the sisters worked hard and happily helped other students. Suman assisted her classmates with difficult homework, while Aimen taught rhymes to the younger kids. Their generosity brought smiles wherever they went. One day, a massive snowfall blocked the village paths. The bridge that led to their school was buried under layers of snow. The worried villagers wondered how the children would reach school. But Suman and Aimen didn't give up hope. They encouraged everyone to help clear the path so that the children could attend school. Their determination inspired the villagers, and together they cleared the way. Seeing this, the school principal praised Suman and Aimen's courage and kindness in front of everyone, and they were lovingly titled as the helpful sisters of the village. The sisters exchanged smiles, knowing that kindness spreads happiness in hearts. This was the most beautiful lesson they learned in their snowy paradise. Helping others is the greatest virtue.